Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Chaudhary, student of MA Applied Economics, 4th semester, Department of Banking, Economics and Finance from Bundelkhand University, Jhansi. Today we will discuss about multicollinearity, topic of statistics and econometrics. So what is multicollinearity? Multicollinearity occurs when two or more independent variables in a data frame have a high correlation with one another in a regression model. This simply means that one independent variable can be predicted from another in a regression model. For example, including the same information twice, that is, for example, weight in pounds and weight in kilograms. Another one is not using dummy variables correctly, say falling into dummy variables trap. Multicollinearity is majorly of two types. First is data-based multicollinearity, that is caused by poorly designed experiments, and another one is structural multicollinearity, that is caused by the researchers. So what multicollinearity is a problem. It is a problem. Why? Because it undermines the statistical significance of an independent variable. Other things being equal, the larger the standard error of a regression coefficient, less likely it is that this coefficient will be statistically significant. Existence of multicollinearity. Multicollinearity can exist when two independent variables are highly correlated. Another is it can also happen if an independent variable is computed from the variables in the data set. Another one is, or if two independent variables provide similar and repetitive results. So how we will check whether it is whether there is multicollinearity occurs or not? So first step is, the first and simple method is to plot the correlation matrix of all the independent variables. Another and most famous method is to check multicollinearity by using the variance inflation factor, that is VIF, for each independent variable. So what is VIF? A VIF is a measure of the amount of multicollinearity in the regression analysis. Multicollinearity exists when there is a correlation between multiple independent variables in a multiple regression model. Here is a simple formula for calculating VIF, that is VIF for beta I cap is equals to 1 upon 1 minus Ri square. This 1 minus Ri square is the tolerance. If VIF is smaller than 5, if VIF is smaller than 5, then the low correlation of that predictor with other predictor. Low correlation. And when VIF is between 5 to 10, then moderate correlation will occur. A moderate correlation. And when VIF is greater than 10, then this is not tolerable. Not tolerable correlation. That's it for the video. Thank you so much.